Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend WalkerDog right down in Tennessee on his Stryker SR955 HP. Mr. WalkerDog, we got this thing ready to go here. Gonna send this out to you today as well as your new shockwave antenna. We'll show you what we got here for power. Turn it all the way down. 5-watt slug as always. Half a watt. Spin it all the way up. Run over here to the 100-watt slug. 15 watts. Hello, audio. Hello. Got 19.5 watts average power. Over the peak side, we'll spin the dead key down some, so you what kind of swing you got. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. About 84 watts, peak power. Alrighty, WalkerDog. Them boys down in the volunteer state better watch out. Once you get that shockwave up, you're going to be shocking the world. Have a good one, my friend. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bom bom.